Los Rocas is a complex of 4 houses nestled in the elevated terrain of La Peña, Valle de Bravo. The project prioritizes respect for the environment, with the site treated as an extension of the adjacent natural reserve. The corridor system, a linear axis, connects different areas of the houses and serves as a circulation route. It captures natural light and regulates temperature, enhancing the indoor-outdoor connection. The living, dining, and kitchen areas are designed to be flexible and inviting, with large windows and sliding partitions. The terraces are integrated into the landscape, blurring the boundaries between the built environment and the natural surroundings. The houses feature a light gray stucco finish that blends with the local rock formations. Textured stone flooring and flush-mounted glass complement the design, creating a minimalist and harmonious aesthetic. Ana Paula de Alba's custom interior designs add a personal touch to each house, reflecting the specific needs and preferences of the families. The overall design of Los Rocas celebrates the interplay between architecture, nature, and human experience. The 4 houses share a modular design, allowing for unique layouts adapted to their specific locations. The volumes are arranged freely, creating voids, views, and natural light. The integration of nature into the architecture is evident, with elements like stone, trees, and the terrain itself becoming part of the design. A detailed site analysis guided the positioning of each house to minimize impact on the existing landscape. A central service area, accessible via a narrow cobbled road, houses essential facilities. Visitors park their cars here and continue to the houses on foot, immersing themselves in the natural surroundings.